Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest update on Typhoon Henry. This is for today, Friday, September 2, 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Aboitiz Power and College Foundation. Let's begin. Here's the latest fast animation from University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. As you can see, that tropical cyclone, once Super Typhoon Henry, is now downgraded into a Category 1 typhoon as it rapidly weakened because of cooler sea surface temperature over the vicinity and some upwelling of cold temperate waters over the area. Right now, it's continuing to enhance the Southwest Monsoon across Luzon, becoming more frequent along the western sections. That includes Ilocos region, western sections of Central Luzon, including Metro Manila, Occidental Mindoro, and also some portions of Mimaropa, including Panay. So there will be some passing rain showers and thunderstorms and winds of up to 60 kph. Gust. Okay, while in the Bicol region, we are experiencing some partly sunny to cloudy skies with no rainfall, which is a dry monsoon effect. Okay, and still the weather across the Philippine Islands will be breezy of up to 50 kph because of the southwest monsoon. Now, for the zoom-in fast animation, you can clearly see here some thick cumulonimbus clouds or thunderstorms approaching the western sections of Luzon. So expect more rainfall, and also some thunderstorms will continue to bring rains as well as over the southern Tagalog provinces, including Mindoro. The typhoon right now is beginning to move slowly towards the northwest after remaining quasi-stationary to the east-northeast of Basco Batanes, but it's quite far. But the outer rain bands is continues to affect these areas, extending across extreme northern Luzon, where winds of up to 60 to 80 or up to 100 kph will be experienced over Batanes, and some passing thunderstorms also will be experienced over extreme northern Luzon, where signals number 1 and 2 are being hoisted. And here's the fast animation, the infrared from the SIRA and RAMMB of NOAA. There you go. The system is no longer exhibiting a clear eye. That's a sign that the system has been downgraded from a super typhoon category, and it's just a minimal typhoon with winds of 150 kph and gusting up to 185. And here's the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com. You can clearly see here some scattered to widespread rain showers and thunderstorms across western portions of Luzon, including Occidental Mindoro, Metro Manila. So expect this on and off rainfall to persist until the weekend, okay, until Sunday. And areas like Batanes, Calayan Island Group, and the extreme northern parts of Luzon will continue to experience some northwesterly winds gusting up to 70 or 80 kph because of the outer bands of Typhoon Henry. And here's the latest track that we issued around 11 a.m. And based on the forecast, it's really on the dot. It's now moving slowly towards the northwest to northwest. And if its course doesn't change, it is expected to pass in the vicinity of Yeeyama and Miyakojima Island Group by Saturday evening, and by midnight of Sunday or early morning Sunday, it will be moving out of the Philippine area of responsibility on its way towards the Korean Peninsula, side sweeping the eastern coastline of eastern China, okay, on Monday, September 5. And here's the track from the Asian agencies. Nothing changes. They all agree they all agree it will move towards the Korean Peninsula, moving across the East China Sea. Here's the global models. They all agree it's now moving towards the same path as of the Asian agencies. Here's the rainfall forecast for the next 3 days until Monday. So right now it's on and off rains across western Luzon, including Occidental Mindoro and also Metro Manila. By tomorrow afternoon, after 24 hours, the effects of the monsoon will persist across Ilocos and Cordillera region and also over western sections of central Luzon, with some thunderstorms penetrating the central portions of Luzon, Ecija, Tarlac, Pampanga, and portions of Metro Manila, and also along the western coastal areas of Occidental Mindoro, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will be partly sunny to cloudy, with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, while localized thunderstorms will still be expected over Mindanao. On Sunday afternoon, there is still the effects of the monsoon across Luzon, becoming more thunderstorm activity over areas of Cagayan Valley, Ilocos region, Cordillera region, and central Luzon. There will be still some rain showers and thunderstorms because of the Southwest Monsoon on Sunday. And on Monday, the Southwest Monsoon will start to weaken, but localized thunderstorms will take over across Luzon in the afternoon of Monday, and also across Visayas, Mindanao, and Mimaropa. So that's the forecast of the rainfall for the next 3 days from the European model. Now here's the rainfall accumulation forecast. Nothing changes. The bulk of the rainfall are concentrated along the extreme northern parts of Luzon, particularly Batanes, Babuyan Group, Ilocos region, also across Cordillera Administrative Region, Central Luzon, including Metro Manila and Occidental Mindoro, portions of Palawan, and over the Sulu Archipelago, particularly Cuyo and Amanpulu. Those areas will be affected by the Southwest Monsoon as well. So if we take a look at the graphical satellite analysis before we leave you, here's the latest one. So you can see the typhoon moving slowly towards the north-northwest, while it enhances the southwest monsoon across Luzon, particularly the western sections, including Metro Manila and Occidental Mindoro, while dry and windy conditions will be expected across the whole of the Visayas and the Bicol region. It's quite dry here, okay, on the southern portions or central portions of the Philippine Islands. So there you go. That's the latest. Take all necessary precautions up there in extreme northern Luzon and the western sections of Luzon because of the combined effects of the typhoon and the southwest monsoon or Habagat. And over at Batanes, take all necessary precaution as well for possible storm surge of up to 3 feet. And on and off rainfall with gusty winds of 60 to 100 kph will still be expected across the extreme northern parts of Luzon. So see you again tomorrow. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #GoodAdvisor, and thank you so much for watching our channel.